You don't have to travel as far as Venice, Italy to enjoy a scenic gondola ride. Right here in South Florida, you can float through the beautiful Fort Lauderdale waterways via the Olas Gondola rides. Check it out! We just enjoyed an awesome gondola tour mid-December on Riverfront Gondola Tours. We figured why not end the year on another gondola ride. But this time we decided to try their sister company, Olas Gondola Rides. They offer day and night tours, but we chose to end 2023 out on the water. Our tour was from 11:30 p.m. to about 12:45 a.m. Our gondolier was very friendly and jovial. I liked that we were in our private cabin, but he was close enough just outside that we could easily communicate with him if we needed to. It comfortably fit 4 of us, but I can see it possibly fitting another 2 guests. We loved the dim ambiance, and a bottle of champagne to bring in the new year was definitely a nice touch. I think my favorite part about this gondola ride is that the gondolier took us as close to the fireworks show as possible. We parked there in the middle of the waterway, and when midnight hit, we had front row seats to the fireworks. What an awesome experience. This tour could be a nice romantic outing with your significant other or a fun time with friends. Either way, I highly recommend this gondola ride.
Good things for everybody.
This was such an epic way to end the year and bring in the new year. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. Please. I love putting out travel and hiking content, as well as occasional videos of my dog Bully. Anyways, cheers and happy 2024, everyone. Woo!